Hello everyone, welcome back. Want to master everyday English? Join us in this fun grocery store adventure where we explore useful phrases, vocabulary, and conversations you'll use in real life. The Grocery Store Adventure. Learn English with real-life conversations. It was a sunny afternoon when Mia decided to visit her local grocery store. She had just moved to an English-speaking city and wanted to practice her language skills while shopping. As Mia walked into the store, she grabbed a basket and looked at her shopping list. It read, 1. Apples. 2. Bread. 3. Milk. 4. Cereal. She stopped at the fruit section, looking at a pile of red, green, and yellow apples. A friendly store assistant noticed her and asked, "Can I help you find something?" Mia hesitated for a moment but decided to practice. "Yes, please. I want to buy some apples." "Which ones are sweeter?" The assistant smiled. "The red apples are sweeter, but the green ones are more sour." "Would you like to try one?" "Sure," Mia replied, tasting a small slice of the red apple. "This is delicious. I'll take 4, please." Next, Mia moved to the bread section. A man standing nearby was looking at different loaves. Mia decided to ask, "Excuse me, which bread do you recommend?" He turned and replied, "I like whole grain bread. It's healthier and tastes great with butter." Mia picked up the whole grain bread and said, "Thank you. I'm still learning English, so I appreciate the help." At the milk section, she noticed someone placing cartons of almond milk in their cart. Curious, she asked, "Is almond milk good for coffee?" The woman replied, "Yes, it's really creamy and tastes amazing." "Are you a coffee drinker?" "Yes, I am," Mia laughed. Finally, at the cereal aisle, Mia was overwhelmed by the choices. She asked another shopper, "Which cereal is good for breakfast?" The shopper pointed at a box and said, "This one is my favorite. It has nuts and honey." Mia smiled, feeling more confident in her English skills. At the checkout counter, the cashier greeted her with, "Did you find everything you needed today?" "Yes, thank you," Mia replied proudly. As she left the store, she realized how much she had learned just by talking to people. It was a small but important step toward improving her English. Closing CTA. Did you enjoy this story? Now it's your turn. Next time you visit a grocery store, try using these phrases and questions. Keep practicing, and soon you'll feel confident speaking English in everyday situations. Subscribe for more stories like this and tips to improve your English skills.